Levon wears his war wound like a crown. He calls his child Jesus because he likes the name, and he sends him to the finest school in town. Levon likes his money. His family business thrives. Spends his days counting in a garage by the motorway. He was born a pauper to a pawn on a Christmas day, when the New York Times said God is dead and the war's begun. I've been tossed and had a son today, and it shall be Levon, and it shall be a good man, but it shall be Levon in tradition with a family plan, and it shall be Levon, and it shall be a good man. He shall be Levon. Levon sells cartoon balloons in town. His family business thrives. Jesus blows up balloons all day. He sits on the porch swing watching them fly. And Jesus, he wants to go to Venus. Leave Levon far behind. Take a balloon and go sailing, while Levon slowly died. He was born a pauper to a pawn on a Christmas day, when the New York Times said God is dead and the war's begun. I've been tossed and had a son today, and it shall be Levon, and it shall be a good man, and it shall be Levon in tradition with a family plan, and it shall be Levon, and it shall be a good man.